Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to apply an Airbnb coupon, whether you're using your browser or the mobile app. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, go to Airbnb.com and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, or in the app. From there, select Account. In the Account menu, click on Payments and Payouts. Scroll all the way down, and you'll see an option that says Add Coupon. Click on Add Coupon, and you'll be prompted to enter your coupon code. Type it in, and you're all set. The discount will be applied to your next booking, and that's it. Applying an Airbnb coupon is really that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.